HanPHI helps to reduce operating and maintenance costs, improve plant efficiency and stability by detecting potential failures in advance. This video shows the thermal power plant, which produces 520 milliwatts electric power, using HanPHI to prevent the unscheduled outage by early detecting failure in the generator. Inside the generator, cooling water and hydrogen gas are sealed to prevent the generator from getting overheated. Cooling water flows into the stator, and the hydrogen gas, which has 3 times more cooling effort than the cooling water, are sealed with high pressure in the generator to cool both the rotor and the stator. In this case, HanPHI detects the cooling water leakage from the generator. On January 20, 2017, the operator of the plant recognized the early warnings from HanPHI. Even though the plant health index was not very low, he realized the slight decrease of the turbine system. So, he registered the lowest tag in the turbine system on the watch list in order to monitor its behavior. Later, frequent huntings occurred in the turbine system. The turbine system's health index dropped to a warning level 2, shown as yellow. Over time, the index of the turbine system was getting worse and worse, so it consequently dropped the plant health index to 41%. The plant operator opened Success Tree to find the root cause that impacts much on lowering turbine system index. With the whole structure of turbine system in a hierarchical representation, he found the signal having the lowest index in the system in a second. Plant operator confirmed that generator stator and winding cooling water flow has some issues, so he opened the quick trend to analyze it closely. On the quick trend screen, he realized that the outlet flow of cooling water has gradually decreased. The difference between the real-time values and the expected values was getting larger as the time passed. Plant operator immediately contacted the field engineer to check the detailed condition of the generator. While checking the generator coolant outlet flow rate, the field engineer also noticed that the hydrogen gas pressure was lowered. He confirmed that leaking of the generator so that he contacted the operator and let him know about this. Operator set up an emergency plan and performed the maintenance work. After the inspection, there was a crack in the outlet header part of the generator cooling coil terminal due to vibration. It results in leakage of cooling water and hydrogen gas through the crack and increases the hydrogen consumption. Even though the plant status seemed to be in normal condition, the operator quickly realized the potential issues with HanPHI because it had generated early warnings many times, when there has been a difference between the expected values and the real-time values before the DCS alarm went off. The HanPHI detected small anomalies in the plant, and they affected the system index. And it affected the whole plant's health index so that the users quickly and accurately discovered the root cause of the abnormal condition. Typical monitoring system generates alarm when it reaches the serious condition. However, HanPHI detects small abnormal condition and generates early warnings so the users can do the proper action with enough lead time. HanPHI helps users prevent potential failures, reducing plant operational costs and increasing availability. BNF Technology.